Hey everyone! Have you ever thought about how a simple stretch can change your day? I'm here to tell you why stretching daily is an absolute game changer. First off, stretching is super accessible. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. It's something you can do anywhere, anytime. Let's dive into the benefits, shall we? Number 1. Improved flexibility and range of motion. Stretching increases your flexibility, allowing your muscles and joints to move through their full range of motion. This means better physical performance and fewer injuries. Speaking of injuries, number 2 is injury prevention. Tight muscles are more prone to strains, but regular stretching keeps them elongated and balanced, reducing the risk of pulls and tears. Number 3. Enhanced blood circulation. Stretching boosts blood flow to the muscles, delivering nutrients and removing waste. This helps in faster recovery after physical activity. Number 4. Reduced muscle stiffness and tension. If you spend long hours sitting or doing repetitive tasks, stretching can help relax tight muscles, reducing discomfort and stiffness. Number 5. Improved posture. By stretching commonly tight muscles like your chest, shoulders, and hips, you can correct imbalances and promote better posture. Number 6. Stress relief and relaxation. Stretching activates your parasympathetic nervous system, lowering stress levels. Add some mindful breathing, and you've got a perfect relaxation combo. And finally, number 7. Enhanced athletic performance. Dynamic stretching before a workout warms up your body, improving coordination. Static stretching afterward aids in recovery. But here's the kicker: how to stretch effectively. Warm up first to avoid injuries. Hold each stretch for 15-30 seconds, don't rush it. Avoid overstretching, aim for mild discomfort, not pain. And be consistent. Even just 10 minutes of stretching daily can transform how your body feels and functions. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the long-term benefits. For personalized guidance, consult Shalom Physicare, your trusted source for physical therapy and rehabilitation. See you next time.